Hello there! Thank you for joining our lesson on how to draw a vintage scooter. Grab your drawing materials and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the wheels. Draw 2 circles for the front and rear wheels. Step 2. Draw the front fender. The fender keeps debris away from the scooter. Draw a curved shape over the front wheel. Step 3. Draw the base. Add a horizontal rectangle between the wheels. Step 4. Draw the front part. Draw a slanted shape with a curved right side on top of the front fender. Before we continue, take time to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can find info on our products and services in the description section. Let's continue. Step 5. Draw the engine compartment. Draw a diagonal line from the middle of the base, then curve it to connect to the back of the base. Step 6. Draw the headlight. Draw a semi-oval on top of the front part. The flat end should be on the left. Add a vertical line inside the semi-oval for shape detail. Step 7. Draw the handlebar. Draw the handlebar by creating a small horizontal rectangle with a thicker rectangle attached. Step 8. Draw the seat and footrest. Draw a rectangle on the engine and replace the top part with a curved line to form the seat. Below the base, add a footrest using horizontal rectangles with rounded corners. Step 9. Take the drawing to the next level. To enhance your drawing, add background elements like a road and then color it using vibrant colors. That's it. Thanks for taking our lesson. We look forward to seeing you in our next drawing tutorial.